Meet the BZBGEAR BG-AMP150WD, your powerhouse 2-channel Class D amplifier built to flex for both commercial installs and sophisticated audio systems. Delivering up to 2 by 75 watts in stereo or a full 150 watts in bridged mode, this unit supports both low-impedance 4 ohms and 8 ohms speaker loads and high-impedance 70-volt or 100-volt systems with a simple switch. Whether feeding a wall of speakers, a crisp stereo setup, or a multi-zone system, the built-in DSP gives you fine control, input gain, output EQ, volume, and converters for pristine fidelity. Connectivity is rock solid. Analog line-level inputs, Dante 2-channel digital in-out for AV network integration, plus analog line-out and speaker outputs make it adapt to any routing scenario. And it's built for system control. RS-232, LAN, and Web GUI support, as well as a 5 to 12 V trigger and auto standby mode keep it smart, efficient, and rack-friendly. Small footprint, big performance, the BG-AMP150WD is ideal for houses of worship, broadcast hubs, boardrooms, education environments, or anywhere you need reliable, clean power and flexible audio integration. Amplify with power, control with precision, integrate with ease. Discover the BG-AMP150WD at BZBGEAR.com.